This is how the Lobo mangrove forest looks like without the ship. Clean water, white sand where a peaceful community lies. Residents say life's back to normal after the dredging vessel left their waters 5:30 a.m. on Friday, 8 days after it docked at the Lobo mangrove forest.
Masaya po, masaya kami. Wala nang mga agam-agam na kung ano baga, wala nang mga kwentuhan na ba't ganyan yan, nandyan yan, anong laman niyan.
Marami na po uling nangisda. Kung nandiyan po mananatili ang barko ay maano po yung mga seagrass.
The part of the Coast Guard, wala man silang complied naman sila sa Coast Guard. At yung kanilang pag-stay, inaalam pa natin sa company.
But the moving out could just be temporary because Seagate Engineering and Build Systems has so far no plans of backing out.
Gagampanan ko lang kung ano yung napirmahan kong memorandum of agreement with the municipality of Lobo. Itutuloy namin. Wala naman kasing revocation na nangyari. Wala naman expiration yan. And the contract through this memorandum of agreement, which is supported by appropriate Sangguniang Bayan resolution.
Seagate claims the project will benefit the residents of Lobo, considering that it experienced flash floods in the past when the river would overflow.
We must pursue with the project kasi ito naman ay hindi ito quarrying o mining. Ito yung flood control mitigation project.
A document obtained by CNN Philippines shows the purchase order to Seagate Philippines for dredged sand. For the first time, Seagate confirms that the dredged materials will be used for the construction of Hong Kong International Airport.
We informed the appropriate government agencies about this destination of the dredged material.
But no matter what Seagate says, the municipal mayor of Lobo, Batangas remains firm in his decision.
Hindi naman ako papayag, Libertin. Kahit papumunta sila ng 10 beses dito, 1 milyon beses, hindi ako papayag. Iba yung memorandum of agreement at iba yung permit na ito, yung business permit. At ang huling magbibigay ng permit sa kanya, LGU.
While Seagate has complied with necessary documents to bring the dredging vessel, it's still waiting for go signal from agencies to push through with the dredging activity, including the approval of the municipality of Lobo, Batangas. Meanwhile, the dredging vessel remains close by at another Batangas anchorage, where it awaits a better time to return to the town. Trisha Terada, CNN Philippines.